Water. You've got under here, you can see you've got your onboard tank on the right hand side, and what you've got is two yellow valves. So you've got the one here straight in front of us, and there's one slightly around to the corner.
Yeah.
They're your drain valves.
Okay.
You probably had them on. They're probably the same as what you had on the last
We
van.
only had one.
Yeah. So
we
with
only
the
used one.
yeah, so with these being the drain valve, the right hand one is for the onboard tank, and then the left hand one is for all the lines and the line coming in from the aqua roll.
Right.
So if I
Okay.
lift that now, you can hear the water start to disappear.
And that's going. That's going.
That's going
outside.
directly underneath us.
Right. Okay. Right.
There'll be a big puddle under us, but
Right.
oh well.
So when we leave the van,
Yeah.
when we've packed everything away, one of the last things we do is literally the drain down.
Just open them up.
So
The best
open
way-
both up.
The best way to drain it down is lift those up, open the taps at the same time with the if you've
Like we did the last one.
yeah.
Yeah.
and then it just gets the last bit of water through the taps, drains that line out.
Tend to
And then it's
travel with
dry.
the taps open anyway.
Yeah, absolutely. It's sort of okay, you get air in the pipes, but it doesn't really matter because when you drain it down, odds are it's for the end of the season.
Mhm.
Then this is where this is the bit as well where I was saying to you about you've got a choice as to where you draw water from. As it is at the minute, I've got water pulling directly from outside, and that's only because there's a white tap here round to the left. Can you see it?
Yeah.
As it's facing horizontal now, that's allowing the onboard pump to work as opposed to the external pump. So that draws from the aqua roll.
Oh right. Okay.
So if you turn it into the down position, as it is there,
Yeah.
that would change it to have the onboard pump working instead. So the onboard tank drawing through the pump outside.
Right.
So
That's clear as
Why?
mud. The look on his face.
basically, on the bottom of the hose is actually a pump itself. When it is attached to the onboard tank inlet, it's got copper connections which allow that pump to work.
Yeah.
As it is at the minute, feeding into the aqua roll,
Yeah.
that pump isn't working. The onboard pump is just drawing water through it as a hose pipe.
So that pump is acting the same as the pump that's on the
Exactly
end of the
exactly
blue.
that, yeah.
Right.
Except
Okay.
the pump on the blue hose only works when
For the tank.
exactly when you're doing the tank.
So do we need the pump at the end of that then? If we were to
No.
If we were to have it, is it say pointing downwards is
It's also got a filter built into it, so it's a pump and filter, so
Right.
it's doing the same job.
okay.
So if you didn't have that, you'd have to replace it for the filtration one,
Right.
which is
Ridiculous.
You,
Might as well just leave
you might
it.
as well just leave the one you've got on
Right,
it because
okay.
it doesn't harm it. There's no problem at all.
So just to run through that again, down is tank,
Yeah, horizontal.
horizontal is aqua roll.
Exactly that, yeah. And if you ever forget, then you have got a diagram on the bottom of the cupboard here as well to show you how it all works.
And we've got a video.
Yeah, and you got a video as well. So it just shows you what position to have everything in if you're using the onboard tank.
Which we probably will never use, to be
More than
perfectly
likely
fair, will
not,
we?
no. And then it also shows you what position to have everything in if you're draining the system down.
Right, okay.
So, happy with that?
Yep, cool, yeah.
The video will back you up anyway. So once